Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Gary, the Bearded Woodworker. Thank you for joining me today. Guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to start another project without finishing multiple other projects that I have in here. Check this out. Some of yous might remember this project. It was a failed project. What I wanted was for the miter saw to just kind of fold down and it can be pushed up against the wall. But it's actually taller than it is wider, if that makes any sense, or long. Anyways, this is what I have to take care of. I decided to keep it and continue to use it because it's working for me. But I don't even know what I do with them sometimes. Right? This is how it works. You pull out the arm, right, and then you put this little mitered thing, and it goes in here, and and it's great. It works. But I'm finding out that this arm is warping, and you can see what happens to that. I take it off, and then I put it somewhere, and sometimes I don't remember where I put it. So I ordered these off of Amazon, link in the description, and I'm hoping that these are gonna work. They are foldable hinges. I am hoping mounting these this way, they lock in place, that's gonna do the trick. So let's get rid of the old ones. Oh, and I'm gonna use some of this stuff I have left over, this melamine stuff from that bus video. If you guys haven't watched it, probably have it because nobody has. Let's just do. I'm gonna rip this twice. These will be the outside edges. Maybe I'll put one on the back. So now the question is, do I keep these ugly pressure treated blocks here? Which would be quick and easy if I did. Or do I get rid of them and build a custom box with this melamine stuff? I do need to add space for the extra bracket because I think I'll do 2 brackets on either side. I bought 4 of them. Where did I have these before? Okay, so I don't know why this is sticking out so much. I should trim those back. 4 on one end, 2 on the other. That sounds about right. So I think I'm going to mount this like that. And then I have something to put my things on. But do I need another support? Maybe I need a support to go in between here. Why not? That's better. I made one for the other side too. All right, let's pre-drill some holes and get this sucker in here, huh? Next, I think I'll go ahead and we'll put some kind of straight piece across. Put that folding hinge here, and then I'll attach. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, yeah, I know. Hold on. It is quite possible that these did not come with any hardware or screws. So I'm going to use what I have. But either way, I've put my clamp in the way. Let's see what happens here. All right, the moment of truth. Does this thing actually work? We'll see. I mean, that's pretty sturdy. Got crooked for some reason. Yeah. All right, I can tell. They're not straight. And I think it's this one right here. So they were both just slightly off plumb, I guess you would say. And that actually prohibited it from going down. Or we're going to try something a little different. That looks cool. It's way better than it was before. And then, of course, it's hard for me to get it with one hand. Now, why isn't it going in? There you go. Jeez. I want to recommend these, I really do. Hold on. Okay. All right, I think I'm going to give that a go for a little bit. What's going to be funny is you're going to see videos of me using this old wings, and then all of a sudden the new ones are going to be there already, because this video is coming out before the other projects, like I said, that I haven't finished, that I've got a lot that I'm still working on. Anyhow, so maybe this is helpful for you guys. Again, I'll have the link in the description for these things here. They seem pretty sturdy. I felt like they were kind of a pain in the butt to put on, but could just be me. Maybe there are instructions and I just didn't see them. Boy, look, I just got some shadows in my head. I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Well, maybe you'll just see me on the next video. We'll just say that.